At first glance, it looked easy. Just a jigsaw puzzle. Simple colors, familiar shapes. But the more I looked, the more I realized I was wrong. The colors were almost identical, and the reflection? It played tricks on me. I didn't even notice it at first. I dove right in, working on the frame, the top part, completely forgetting the image. It wasn't as straightforward as it seemed. As if Mount Fuji was trying to play tricks on me, and that is why he's reflecting on his doings. I thought I could multitask, solve all the corners at once, jump here, jump there, but the more I scattered my focus, the more the pieces resisted. Still, I kept going. After all, I've accepted the challenge in the first place. Of course, I didn't expect everything to work out perfectly, because this is life. There was this quiet doubt lingering in the back of my mind. What if I'm messing this up? But weirdly, the process felt right, almost comforting. The sense of accomplishment is truly satisfying as long as we enjoy the process.
A few moments later.
I love your shirt. It's so cute. Yeah. I got a cat.
From China. Oh, okay.
Yeah, the best. matcha 라떼 한 잔 주세요.
아이스크림 드리면 될까요?
네, 자, 이건 주세요.
네. 큰 걸로 드릴게요.
matcha 쿠키.
버섯 쿠키도 하나 더 드릴까요?
네. 그리고 matcha 라떼 아이스 조금.
알겠습니다. 얼음 조금만 드릴게요.
감사합니다. 네.
더 필요하신 건 없으신가요?
괜찮아요.
감사합니다.
With a little guy. Pew.